Ongpin Street in Binondo becomes synonymous to what is now known as Chinatown. This is where you can find the Binondo Church, which is located at the far end of the street, and the Santa Cruz Church on the other side. It is the oldest Chinatown in the world. It is famous for being a treasure trove of goldsmiths, countless eateries serving only Chinese dishes, the Ingbitin, which are famous for their hopia, and apothecaries selling herbal medicines and exotic foods. Who is Roman Ongpin?
Hindi ko kilala yun. Ongpin.
Sige. Kailan niya sa Ongpin, kuya?
Hindi po. Si Ongpin po. Hindi nasa rin.
Kilala niya po siya. Roman Ongpin Itabensiang, born on February 28, 1847 in Binondo, Manila. His father, Simon Ongpin, was an immigrant from Fujian, China, who established himself in the candle industry. His mother was Sinoprosa Tabensiang. Ongpin was a Chinese businessman and philanthropist and art patron. At the age of 35, he established the art supply store, L82, at Rosario Street, Binondo, Manila. The store pioneered the concept of fixed prices and attracted a luminary circle of clients, including Antonio and Juan Luna, Pedro Paterno, Mariano Limjap, Pascual Poblete, and others. Don Roman became popular among the pre-Chinese community that he was appointed as a cabeza de barangay. On the outside, he supported the Spanish colonial administration, but he secretly ran supplies and ammunition to the revolutionaries. He provided the needed funds and food supplies. He even allowed his store to be used as an outlet for revolutionary propaganda materials. He donated the insurance proceeds to General Emilio Gonaldo after his store burned down. For this reason, he was imprisoned. Even during the early American colonial rule, Ongpin remained active in the revolution. He was also noted as the first one to wear a barong Tagalog. He was also a supporter of numerous causes, including La Protección de la Infancia, which is housed in Gota de Leche, the one he built a year before he died. Even after his death, his name lives on, and his descendants have lived with his name. One of his descendants, Mia Ongpin Herbosa, a well-known painter, and Roberto Bobby Ongpin, a former trade and industry minister, and one of the wealthiest Filipinos today. Today, Ongpin Street stretches from Santa Cruz Church to Thomas Mapua Corner Recto Avenue. This 2-kilometer street was renamed Ongpin in 1951 in honor of his contributions to Philippine independence. Curiously, not many people know the significance of the man behind the road's name, but his was a story of inspiration that there are many ways to serve our country, especially now that we are enjoying our freedom. A true lover of the arts and freedom, Roman Ongpin raised his life, the welfare of his family, and his personal fortune by having supported the Philippine Revolution